Hi.
Hi, Mahima, how are you?
Very well, किद्दा? What's happening?
सब बढ़िया तुसी दसो क्या हाल चाल?
बस बढ़िया. थोड़ी पंजाबी इतनी बढ़िया नहीं है. This is just me trying to be cool in the opening statement. Yeah.
नहीं, how are
Oh,
you?
how have
How
you
is
been?
quarantine treating? Very good, very good. Rocking as always.
You've been doing quite a lot of lives, man. How's that been for you?
I think I don't know. I started off with a friend of mine called Sonam Chabra,
Hmm.
and ever since I've not stopped. It's been I think 15, 20 of those.
That's
So
amazing. Yeah, I saw the one with Piyush in the afternoon. I think it was
yeah,
amazing.
yeah.
Yeah,
Piyush
this is fun, right?
is
This
a
is,
sweet guy, man. That guy is
yeah,
amazing, amazing. He's very, very
that's
sweet.
right.
Yeah.
So, Chalu, I will start by asking you the most famous statement that
Yeah.
has been posted across social media channels. That is, how's your quarantine going, babe? I'll remove the babe, but
How's
how's your
quarantine
quarantine
going,
going?
babe? So, babe, it is going really well. Um, I have actually streamlined my life a lot in quarantine. I get up on time, exercise on time, I eat on time, I write on time. So I'm pretty much structured right now. When things were not um locked down, I my life was haywire.
That's
सुबह तीन
awesome.
तीन चार चार बजे सो रहे हैं दोपहर को 12 बजे उठ रहे हैं so I was just doing shitty stuff but
So,
now
your
it
sleep
is much
cycle
better.
is structured now, is what you're
Oh
saying.
yeah, it is very structured now. Yeah, very structured. Yeah,
Wow, that's
yeah. I
something I
sleep.
cannot relate
I
to.
I hit the bed at 10, and by 10:30, 11, I am done. Like I'm pretty much sleeping.
And
Or 11:30.
how's your workout going on? How's that? You have lost so much weight.
Yeah, yeah. I
Unbelievable.
lost 31 kilos. Yes, yes, yes.
Wow. Let's let's
Uh,
let's let's see some from the side.
yeah. My muscles, man.
That's
Yeah, see?
awesome.
Yeah,
Wow,
and
that's
I'm doing
great.
yoga. So I've joined yoga. So that is the learning that I've had in quarantine. That I'm doing yoga. I've learned yoga, and I'm learning yoga actually. And yoga is much more than what we know. So I'm enjoying every bit of it. Every bit of it.
Okay, that
And
sounds
suba
fun.
workout,
And
Shamba yoga.
oh, that's amazing. Spending a lot of time with mom, with your dog. That's been fun
Yeah,
too, I'm
I am
sure.
spending a lot of time. So yeah, what else to do? So I'm spending a lot of time at home, and I'm enjoying it. Actually. Um I was not able to spend a lot of time at home earlier because of the work. I used to just travel a lot. I used to travel
Yeah,
extensively. So this is a good thing happened for me at least. I am
yeah.
home. I am spending time at home. I am enjoying my rest days. Uh, I put face packs on, besan, dahi, जब कड़ी बन रही होती है घर पे, मुल्तानी मिट्टी. I'm doing all that things that I wanted to do. I think. I look at
That's
my nose, मैं अरे black heads, अरे white heads, क्या हो रहा है? I'm
yeah.
just
I
doing.
think I saw that post with you and your beagle.
Yeah,
And
so I keep doing shitty stuff.
yeah.
Yeah.
No,
And
that's not shitty. That's
I
amazing. That's what
write.
we do all the time.
Women probably are like, say,
Yeah.
see, that's what happens when somebody's as pretty looking as you, or other good-looking men or other good-looking women, they have to make a conscious effort to make it happen. When you look
हाँ
like me,
मेहनत
I
बहुत
don't
है
care. I don't care.
मेहनत तो है that's true. But then
Yeah,
I really want to ask you something that
yeah.
um, so how's it been going with you and your mom at home? Like, tell me something. If there is something that your mom sends you out for shopping,
One second,
what is
Vince
it?
Swagger. Yes, I'm able to read your comments. Yes, I am able to. Vadi joke was famous. Thank you, Malar Kotlvi. Ananya Kapoor, hi. Yeah, sorry. Blush
No, that's
Karge
fine.
Ladki Amit Kira Photography is a dear friend, is an amazing photographer. So, Hanji, sorry, you were saying. So how much? What am I doing with my mom?
No, I'm saying that so if your mom is sending you out for that something to buy during
Yeah,
Corona
yeah,
times, what is that
yeah.
one thing that your house cannot do without at the moment?
So my
Like
mother
I'll tell
doesn't
you
send me
mine.
out a lot. I keep. So I am also. So I'm not a big guy going out. I usually order online, but
Hmm.
so Sabzi Wala comes to our doorstep now. So it is things are much more convenient in that terms. Otherwise, I go out for sabzis largely. Otherwise, जो groceries
Hmm.
वगैरह हैं, you go once in a month and then you bring it for all, right? I mean, unless you're finishing off some products that you probably would want to end up using, like eggs probably, or bread or something, or like a milk. Now, milk, bread, eggs, paneer, and everything is coming doorstep, yeah. So I barely get out. Like I had to get out because मेरी दोनों गाड़ियाँ, I have two cars and उसमें से एक डीजल और एक पेट्रोल है, तो डीजल वाली चलनी बंद हो गई थी because मैंने कुछ स्टार्ट नहीं किया था. And then my neighbor came. He said, "जिवेशु दोनों गाड़ियाँ लेके जाओ, पेट्रोल भरवाओ, डीजल भरवाओ और उनके टायर में हवा भरवाओ." तो उसके लिए मैं निकला था. So I'm literally not even stepping out. Nor dog. I take my dogs for a walk, but that's pretty much it.
That's pretty much it. Okay, that's not bad. So then, what is like how you like? What is your WFH apparently right now? It's work from home for Jivishu right now. Yeah.
So so my work is largely writing and performing. So I am performing online for a lot of corporates and a lot of shows. Brand integration and all that used to happen. Now that'll happen when things go up. Sir, volume low कर दो अपनी. Same problem started. Amit Khera photography तू sound वाला आदमी है, ठीक है? मेरे को सुनाई भी नहीं दे रहा. Mahima, I won't be able to hear them.
Yeah, exactly. I think is my voice echoing though? Can you like?
Not to me at least. ये साले इन सब के ना गंदे internet connection है ये.
Yeah, exactly. Very jealous people.
And so I'm doing all of that at home, but there are some bits, obviously live shows and you know shows that you would want to go out and perform. That isn't happening. But other than that, so I try to write a sketch every day, like probably or every 2 days I write a sketch.
I was going to ask you that. Yeah.
Yeah. And my mother.
So inspiration is there. Inspiration hai.
Inspiration, Baba. So whatever I do is a very self-absorbed, self-obsessed art form. So उसके लिए inspiration बाहर से तो मिलती नहीं है. आसपास घर पे.
But अभी तो 4 दीवारी में बंद है ना, बर्तन, कपड़े, washing machine, सब्जियाँ.
So I'm writing all of that. Yeah. Love your beard, man. Thank you, Saket Sinha. Not that I can do anything. I just comb now. I just comb it up. Yeah. Otherwise, तो like at first sight with her, मतलब नाम तो बता दो. LOL. Win Swagger. महिमा नाम है इनका.
Hello.
Win Swagger, please से बात कर लीजिएगा बाद में. I'm sure आपको कुछ ना कुछ तो करना होगा. Perfect now, Amit Khera photography.
नहीं यार, नहीं करना. I have a private account on IG, guys, so no requests, no sliding into DMs.
Oh shit. तो ठीक है, Win Swagger, मुझे मैसेज कर. मैं तेरे गंदे मैसेजेस का जवाब दे दूंगा. This girl is so pretty. Yes, Swati Joneja. Yes.
अरे यार, that's my friend. That's my friend.
अच्छा, okay. How's Auntie Jivishu? Mummy is good यार. माँ मस्त है. गौरव अग्रवाल. हाँ जी. Hi, Gagan Verma. हाँ जी. Sorry.
No, that's fine. So, tell me one thing that जब अभी ये lockdown चल रहा है, so how are you like? Apart from working out, which I see on your IG, apart from helping mom, apart from taking your dog out for a walk, what else are you doing that's really keep you going, like keeping you going?
Dude, so I don't get time. I get up 5, 5:30, 6 बजे सुबह. I take my dog for a walk. I have my coffee for 2 hours. I smoke cigarettes with my coffee. Then I work
cigarette
out.
तो हमने छोड़ दी थी, लेकिन
सवाल ही पैदा नहीं, किसने छोड़ी सिगरेट?
सुना हमने कुछ आपकी
interviews में. I don't drink anymore.
You don't drink anymore.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kyala Jabranism. He's a good friend. And I smoke a couple of cigarettes. I have a coffee. I take my dog for a walk. I do my exercise. Then I take a bath, do puja, have breakfast, write a sketch or something, and then.
Like, do you think you can tell us a little bit about what you're writing?
So sketches largely. So Baba Singh Mahima, this is what people have to understand. When we write something, it doesn't become funny overnight.
Fair
you have to keep trying it on stage, and then stage पे कितना funny हो पाता है, कितना नहीं हो पाता. Then you come back and you work on it again, and then you try to delete or you try to add or try to modify. And over a period of time, it will become funny. So it's just a thought process which is there in your mind. It may or may not be funny, but it has to be something that you have to try on stage. So that is what we lack. That is what I'm missing right now. I can't try it anywhere. So sketches are there, but then in my mind, तो मतलब मैं अगर कूड़ा भी सोचूंगा तो मेरे को फनी लगेगा, बट वो इतना फनी है नहीं, लाइक जब तक आप स्टेज पे
But
जाके
यार
नहीं
अभी तो you're not even traveling. Like I've heard that
Yeah.
you travel 24 days in a month.
Yeah,
अभी तो
yeah.
everybody is stuck, and I think that's the whole quarantine going on. So what is the first place per se, not work related, you would want to go once Corona is in control and
Sorry,
Modi ji
Gibranism,
has
yes, I
allowed
have
us?
transformed myself. Yes, Gaurav Agarwal, I have lost a lot of weight. Yes, sorry. So where would I go once the quarantine is over? For work or vacation?
For work or vacation?
I would not go anywhere. क्योंकि हर काला कुत्ता घोड़ा वहीं पहुंचा हुआ होगा हर जगह पे.
तो ऐसी
I
कोई
would
जगह
stay at
ढूंढो ना
home
यार.
और बाकी को भटकने दो बाहर. सबको भटक, सब जैसे खत्म होगा सब पागल कुत्ते की तरह भागेंगे बाहर.
ये
So I
बात
would
तो है.
rather stay at home. So I would rather stay at
चलो,
home and I would not want to go anywhere.
That's fair enough. तो फिर
Yeah.
what do you say that कुछ impromptu अगर अभी करें हम तो कर सकते हैं.
क्या impromptu करना है बताइए.
चलो आओ कुछ वो गेम खेलते हैं. Let's play a situation kind of a game.
Sure.
I'm
Go
going to
ahead.
throw some such
Sure.
situations at you. They might not be funny. It's just we are just trying to have a conversation. But I want to
No,
know
that's fine.
your take on them. So,
Okay.
wait. I don't remember these. I've written them down somewhere.
That's fine.
Yeah. Chalo, if not Punjabi, then you would be born as what?
Gujarati.
Q.
Dude, have you seen the food Gujaratis eat? I would love for that. Whenever I go to Gujarat, I turn vegetarian. I think Gujaratis have one of the best food cuisines on earth. I love what they eat. They have brilliant food.
That is true. And tomorrow morning, if you wake up as Donald Trump, what would you do?
Get a better hairstyle.
Okay. And
for that money, he has bad hairstyle.
Yeah, bad hairstyle, and that's it. That's all the problem you think there
First
is in
thing,
him?
no, first thing. You said first thing.
Chal smart. ठीक है. And so मान ली you have gone out for a walk and सड़क पे 1 करोड़ रुपए पड़े हुए हैं. What are the first 3 things you will do?
First thing I'll pick it up. Second thing I'll figure out that there is nobody around. Third, I'll bring it home.
Chal, that is also fair. That's honest. Yeah.
Very.
And what is the weirdest thing you've probably seen at somebody's home? Like, you're probably snooping around or something. What is the weirdest thing you've seen at somebody's house? Not snooping around also.
I'm not snooping around at somebody's home at all.
But what is the weirdest thing?
What is the weirdest thing I've seen? I think I had gone to some place जिनके पास बहुत ही fancy tissue paper holder था. And I think the tissue paper holder was so much invested in the tissue paper holder that they had to put like some महंगे tissues in it. Like you can't put like white wale. You can't put Kuda Gobar tissues on it. Like you have to put like these blue, red, green, very exotic tissue papers. And every time I pick one, and he will just flinch a little. कि यार ये 8 रुपए का tissue paper है बर्बाद कर रहा है. And I have this habit that I would use one tissue paper for just one. Like ऐसे wipe किया और रख दिया. फिर दूसरा उठा लूँगा मैं. He's like, please वही दोबारा use कर ले. Like I said, oh God, this guy is just crazy.
Oh my God.
I saw, but I don't snoop around just in case.
Yeah, that's fine. That was clear.
Mahima, I think you have to have stopped this habit of whatever you're doing at somebody else's house.
No, I'm not doing that. पूछा जाए.
Yeah.
And okay, this is really funny. And if you are a teacher per se, what subject would you teach? मतलब you would be awesome at that. I didn't hear you.
मैथमेटिक्स पढ़ा यार तो लोग भाई साहब हक देंगे अपनी जिंदगी में. उनको मैं प्रोफेशनल फेल टीचर होऊंगा. मैं उनकी जिंदगी में मौत मचवा दूंगा अगर मैथ्स पढ़ाने लग गया मैं तो भाई साहब. मैथमेटिक्स छोड़ के मैं कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ. बट ये अबे यार विंस वैगर तू भाई मैं मेस्मराइज्ड हूँ तेरे से. ये तो पागल ही हो गया है. Good going, Mahi. Love you. Okay, Gopal Trehan. Mahi, that's for you. Stay at home and play poker with money and get rich. Sure. Win money and get rich. Okay. Thanks, Pokerbazi, for this lovely session. Okay. Pranav, hello. Hanji.
Jivishu, have you played poker?
No, I don't play anything which makes me lose anything.
Okay, fair enough. But what do you like? And what about Ludo?
I play छुपन छुपाई. मैं 3 साल पहले डन देने गया था, आज तक बाहर नहीं आया.
छुपन छुपाई 3 साल पहले
लूट
अभी
छुपन
भी
छुपाई
खेल सकते हैं यार.
एक छुपने जाओ, वापस ही मत निकलो, घर चले जाओ.
हाँ, वो भी
That is amazing. But so Ludo I used to play when I was young. I can't play online games. I just can't play online games. I just hate my phone, and the worst is that I have to be on phone because of social media and the work I do. But if I had to if given a choice, I would rather not be on phone ever.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't play Ludo just to answer that.
Yeah, but Ludo is a lot of fun, yeah.
Yes, I know she's damn pretty. Can you stop, dude? Oh,
Who are these people? I think it's just the line.
I'll send you a picture of mine. Don't worry.
Okay, this is not going as planned.
Yeah, no worries.
And chalo, let me ask you a serious question. Yeah, what happens that if somebody doesn't laugh? How does it make you feel?
Your soul dies inside. अंदर ही अंदर आपका दिल टट्टी कर देता है.
मतलब सही में.
हाँ, अगर सामने 4,000 लोग हैं, 400 हैं, 40 हैं, वो अगर एक बंदा नहीं हंस रहा ना, आपकी आंखें उस पे जाके टिक जाएंगी. फिर आप उसी को हंसाने की कोशिश करते रहते हो. अंदर अंदर आप ऐसे, आपकी आत्मा, इस soul is dying inside, just dying. And
I think people are saying my voice is cracking.
Yeah.
Is it cracking?
I have no idea. For me, it is.
You're good, right?
Yeah, I'm good.
And what about? Have you ever come across somebody who's been extremely drunk and misbehaved with you?
Yeah.
You have?
Not misbehaved with me, but I spoke to him. Like,
Let's listen to this. Tell me about
I
this.
was in Bombay. I was talking to this audience, and I asked him. I said, "Hey, what's your name?" He said, "My name is Dick." I said, "Okay." Yeah. So I said, "Okay, we can't have a conversation." And then I remember there is another. So I obviously did my joke and I got off the stage. And there is another comic got up. He said, "What's your name?" He said, "I said Dick before." So he was absolutely drunk. And I said, "Okay, next. आगे बताओ, दूसरा आदमी."
यार ये तो थोड़ा
Yeah, but होता रहता है.
And what about?
Mahima, please decrease your phone volume a little. Teacher session.
Okay, I think
Ambrish
I'll do
को वही
that.
कहा रहा है.
I
Mahima.
think so.
फिर Mahima.
Mahima. It's Mahima, not Mamima.
उसके
मेरा
आगे
नाम
लिख
तो
दिया.
आसान है. अच्छा, what do you
Mahima
think?
से लिख दिया specs.
What do you think my Punjabi aunties pronounce my name as? I am Punjabi.
Punjabi aunties calling you Mahima. I have no. मेरे नाम को तो वैसे ही इतना मर्डर होता है कि
यार नहीं, महिमा का तो आई तो होता ही है ना, इनको आई तो बोलना आता ही नहीं है.
मम्मा.
मेमा.
यार उधर पीछे आ गया मम्मा. देखो मैं बोल रहा
I
हूँ.
have literally got boxes and parcels from my buas in the US and it's written with love to our darling Mema. And I'm like, you know me for 25 years. How am I Mema?
If not a comedian, what would you be? I'll be a male stripper.
In Vegas or any other part of the world?
In Vegas? No. I would be a stripper in Gurgaon.
In Gurgaon?
Yeah.
Arey yaar, that is some service. I can vouch for a lot of people. Oh my God, you should trust me with this. Short this out. Make this happen. It is going to be a hit.
20 more kilos, I'll be there.
20 more kilos? I think nahi. But you feel fit, right?
I feel fit, but I think I need to still lose some more weight. I just need to.
पिछले 3 महीने में कितने crunches से अब हम कितने crunches पे आ गए हैं?
So I don't do crunches at all. Like I do crunches, थोड़ा सा setup.
What is that thing you do when you put your leg on the chair? And that's I don't know what it's called.
I do a lot of things when I put a leg on the chair, but that's certainly not called crunches.
My parents are watching this live.
No. I do a lot of stuff when it comes to workout in like a Nike Fit app, but crunches I do about 100 to 150 at a go, man. Like in one session, I can easily pull that off.
Oh my God! I saw that picture of yours in the garden where you're sitting. I think there's a before and after. In one
Yeah.
you're wearing a yellow t-shirt.
Yeah. जिसमें हलवाई
So,
का
but
बच्चा पापा खोया ले आऊं.
लेकिन येलो वाले में आंखें बंद है और व्हाइट वाले में खुशी है यार. मोटा आदमी भी खुश है यार. मैं खुश हूँ यार.
नहीं
मोटा
मैं
आदमी खुश हो सकता है.
नहीं मैम I was very happy. That's what I'm saying. I was not कि मेरे को उदासी थी ऐसा कुछ ही था ऐसा नहीं. I was very happy. I just wanted to be. I was just tired of with that weight. And you are not fat. I was obese in the sense that my sugar was off the roof, my cholesterol was off the roof, my blood pressure was off the roof. So I wanted to get that in control.
So what was like? I've seen a few of your interviews, but what was that one trigger, yaar? I think that one trigger is very important, right?
Nothing. I think I started prioritizing it for myself. I started prioritizing कि मुझे अपने लिए करना है. दुनिया
अच्छा.
भौंक के मर जाएगी कि आप वेट लूज कर लो, आप ऐसा कर लो, आप ऐसा कर लो, आप कभी नहीं करोगे. You'll only do it when you want to do it, and when you figure out why, you'll figure out the how as well.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
So what does your friend circle or people who inspire you say? Like, I'm sure they must
Nobody
be really proud of
inspires me,
you.
and my friend circle can go to hell. I mean, everybody. So initially they had an issue कि अरे एक ड्रिंक मार ले, वाइन में इतना नहीं होता, जिन में इतना नहीं होता, वोडका में इतना नहीं होता. But then I just said I will not drink. Period. I will just not drink. And now they understand. So now they appreciate and they see. Nobody sees the hard work that goes into it. Everybody sees the end result.
End result, absolutely.
So
yeah.
ये 31 किलो एक साल में हुआ है, लेकिन वो एक साल में बहुत सारी कॉकटेल्स आई, बहुत सारी पार्टीज आई, बहुत सारी दिवाली पार्टीज थी, ड्रिंकिंग सेशंस थे जहाँ पे मैं जाता था अपना नींबू पानी लेके या डाइट कोक लेके. सो you ऐसे his friends think he's a killer. Mansi Kilani is one of my friends. She's
मैं भी वही पढ़ रही थी.
Yeah, Mansi, yeah. सिर्फ तेरे लिए बेबे. So yeah. So they appreciate it. I mean, they obviously encourage it and they obviously tell me कि यार बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है या फिर बहुत अच्छा change किया है. It's healthy. And also my friends are my age also, right? My friends are 42, 43, 44, 45. So hi Deepthi. So
Hello, handsome.
Yeah, वो अभी 5 मिनट वाली बात हुई मेरी उससे फोन पे. तो वो उन सबकी जिंदगी में भी वो इस एज पे कि उनको भी अपनी हेल्थ का ध्यान रखना पड़ता है. And you know, it is what it is. So they tell me good things, which is good. What's your favorite comedian in Indian film industry? Johnny Lever any day. What? Thanks Poker Bazi for the lovely session. ये बोला है ना हर 5 मिनट में लिखने के लिए लाइन.
नहीं यार, so they're doing great work यार. पोकरबाजी.
Yeah, I'm sure they are. But then if you keep writing it, it becomes, you know, like everybody knows it. अरे ये तो feed आ रहा है जबरदस्ती का.
But हाँ, अच्छा चल, tell me one thing that according to you, what is the least sexiest Hindi name ever? And the most sexy Hindi name? Amit is sexy.
Least sexy.
रमेश होना चाहिए ना, ऐसा कुछ होना चाहिए.
रमेश सुरेश हैं, किसी के सुने देखे अब सुने नाम? पिछले 40 साल से अमित चल रहा है.
अच्छा, अमित is least sexy and most sexy?
जिवेशु.
All right.
What's your favorite cigarette? Dunhill Switch is my favorite cigarette. राजेश वो वाला ही चल रहा है वहाँ पे.
मैं बता रही हूँ, राजेश, सुरेश and प्रकाश. Like my mom would never get me married to a guy called राजेश का रिश्ता आया है बेटा.
अमित खेरा फटाफट से आके अमित hate you. नहीं but Amit Khera is a very sexy name. Amit नहीं, Amit Khera very sexy.
Amit Khera.
नहीं so I think रमेश सुरेश कमला विमला. मेरे अगर 4 बच्चे हुए तो मैं 2 लड़कों का नाम रमेश सुरेश रखूंगा, लड़कियों का नाम कमला और विमला.
अच्छा, सही है, वो बात भी सही है.
किसी का नहीं है, अभी 40 साल में किसी कोई नहीं रखने वाला.
And what is your I think somebody had asked पहले, अब I can't go back to that particular
Jivenshu sir, you play poker? Jivenshu? I'll ask Jivenshu. Mahima can marry Jivu. I will tell Jivu also. When ये सही नाम है, क्या इस पे बोलेगी मम्मी? हा. Oh.
If not, then start playing.
बहुत पैसा है बाबा. कनिष्का अगर पैसा अगर आप कमा रही होती ना, इस लाइफ पे नहीं होती आप.
नहीं यार, लक भी तो है ना, लक भी तो मैटर करता ही है.
जिस तरह से मेरा लक है फिर तो चल लिया.
सही तो जा रहा है यार, कॉल सेंटर से लेकर now where you are in life. It's amazing, I think.
Yeah,
gratitude is everything.
I have a great life. Yeah, I have no complaints about it. Jiveshu is the definition of sexy. Yes, I am.
Where's your dog? Why don't we see a little glimpse of your dog? I think he's
ये ना
adorable.
बोले को हरामी बैठा हुआ सामने, रुक जाओ।
Oh my God, so cute.
और एक दूसरी साइड पे कहीं बैठा हुआ है। महिमा कैन मैरी प्रिंसी, प्लीज प्रिंसी, प्लीज मैरी महिमा।
Princey, wherever you are, yes. I think we should
प्रिंसी,
totally do this.
यस
Princey
सर,
किसका
ऐसा
नाम
तो हर
होता है
जगह है,
यार?
ये बात भी सही है अनुष्का। Sorry.
YouTube content is super. Okay, I'm not reading
Thank
the
you,
last
Exxon
text.
official. Balls
ये
sexy.
ball sexy क्या होता है?
I have no idea, but whatever it is, I'm sure it is.
कहाँ से नजर आ रहा है इसमें?
पता नहीं, shit.
What's
No,
your
Kamala,
signature
please, do you
dance
remember
move?
that dialogue?
Jivishu?
कमला फूलों का कमला, शाहिद कपूर some random movie, सुनो कमला please. नहीं दिखता तो रखना ही पड़ेगा मेरे को. I will keep it. People who can't make it can always curse the luck and discard all the hard work put in. Yes, Vince Swagger. प्रीति रिश्ता भेजो, आलू के पराठे. This is a very random conversation.
Yeah, this is
हाँ,
extremely
sorry,
random. Acha, what is your signature dance move? Are you a good dancer though? I have never heard you talk about
What is the
dancing much.
signature dance move? Obviously, मुंह पे 50 का नोट और ऐसे ऐसे ऐसे. Obviously, what are you talking?
नहीं, but are you like a dancer? Are you like a drunk dancer?
Excellent dancer. मतलब लोग मेरे को मतलब ऐसे शादियों में पैसे दे दे के बुलाते हैं मेरे नाचने के लिए.
तो favorite पंजाबी music कौन सा है currently?
फेवरेट ढोल से अच्छा पंजाबी कुछ है ही नहीं.
ढोल से
ढोल
अच्छा पंजाबी. हाँ, but कोई गाना ऐसा मतलब that you really
Oh,
like
please.
like
किसी कोई भी गाना, कोई भी गाना उसमें ढोल लगा दो साथ में, भाई लेट लेट के नाचेगा.
okay, सही है. And
Both of you show us a dance move please. ये कनिका की कुछ ज्यादा ही अलग रिक्वेस्ट आ रही है.
करा
Yes,
जाए.
pole dance is my favorite.
यार pole dance तो मुश्किल है थोड़ा सा.
हाँ, मैं घर की दीवारें नहीं करवा सकता. please.
हाँ, shake your egg.
जीवू
उसमें
सर
जैन
प्लीज
सिंह
ना
shake
पोल
your-
डांस.
जीवू सर तो अपनी रिक्लाइनर पे लेटे हुए हैं एकदम गलत
बिल्कुल.
ही
ओहो फुल ऑन.
गलत ही
ऐसे
कंफर्ट लेवल चल रहा है यहाँ पे.
सामने हाँ टीवी ऐसे है. हाँ, ये बिल्कुल. या फुल.
फोन का तारों का प्लस धूल. I think we should show them a dance move, Yajivesh. Let's do it. It's
I
not
know.
a big
I
deal.
charge a lot for it. I
यार
will
अब
sell
क्या
everything that I have.
एक डांस मूव तो कर
Dinesh is
सकते हैं.
working please. कनिष्का इसके लिए प्राइवेट सेशन है बेटा, 25 रुपए घंटे के हिसाब से.
Dance on a ढोल song.
Have you forgotten a joke on stage? Yes, I have. A billion times. कैसे मार के ही मानोगे पीसी पोल डांस कहाँ से आ रहे हैं ये? बम डिगी बम बम. PS4 or Xbox? Nothing. I don't play
Yes,
video games, so I have no idea. Sorry, you were asking something.
Yeah, मैं भूल गई मैं क्या बोल रही थी. Yeah, so yeah, you should tell me one thing. When did you first know that you are funny?
तो 1990 में मेरे को शेरावाली माता सपने में आई थी.
या कसम से बताओ ना थोड़ा honestly.
I was funny, as in like I was funny. I was witty, and I will always crack up things with people on instances, and that's how I saw it, and that's how. Have you ever been caught with condoms or having sex? Caught with condoms or having sex? With, and who will catch me? Chemist?
मैं सब भूल गया हूँ महिमा को देख के. ये तो सिर्फ
conversation
कॉन्वर्सेशन. सही तो बोल रही हो यार, कहाँ बोल रही हो? एक ही तो क्वेश्चन बोली
महिमा
हूँ.
प्लीज यार से बात कर ले, वरना क्या मेरे को
अरे
बड़ा
यार. हाँ यार बात तो सही. क्वारंटाइन चल रहा है वैसे भी. Oh, I have to tell you something really funny. So I had sent this poster that Seven Entertainment had made yesterday, and yeah. So I was saying that this poster that Seven Entertainment had made yesterday. Obviously, this is the first time I'm also doing a live, and I had sent it to my family WhatsApp group, which has the good people that we want, like my nani, my masi, and all these people. And you know how Punjabi families work, right? Without reading, without seeing reference to context, they have done their own 1+1. And my masi gives me a call and says, "Very good, you have utilized your quarantine time." I said, "What?" So she's like, "लड़का चूज किया है ना तुमने? ये black and white में जो बन के आया है." मैंने कहा, "No, please go and read." So I think that was insanely funny.
Wow.
And I told her that
फुल प्लान चल रहा है उनकी शादी करवाने के.
30 साल की अब लड़की घर पे बैठी है, क्वारंटाइन में हाथ आई है उनके. मुश्किल है ना यार, ये 1 महीना जो घर पे रहना पड़ रहा है, काफी कुछ करना पड़ रहा है.
You're 20.
29.
Under 29 at time. 20 is very young to get married.
Yeah.
Whom did you
29,
last
so-
cheat on?
चलो बताया
I
जाए.
think this question is for you.
No, I think it's for you. It's not for me.
I cheated on my friend called Tantan. है मेरा दोस्त, मेरा बेस्ट फ्रेंड है, तो है चीट किया था मैंने.
कैसे चीट किया था?
पैसे लिए थे, वापस नहीं करेगा अभी.
अच्छा. चलो
You're 47,
अब
we girl. No, I'm 42. हाँ.
अब थोड़ा खेलेंगे रैपिड फायर राउंड.
Sure.
करण जौहर तो नहीं हूँ मैं, नाम है करीना कपूर हूँ, बट हम नॉर्मल बात करेंगे.
That's fine. Tell me.
करंट फेवरेट सॉन्ग.
Current favorite song. कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना.
फेवरेट कमेडियन.
Ricky Gervais.
फेवरेट शो ऑफ योरसेल्फ.
Afterlife.
फेवरेट सिटी टू परफॉर्म इन.
Favorite?
City to perform in.
Delhi.
Oh, amazing. And what would you rather do while playing, while in quarantine? Play on pokerbazi, play on ballebazi, or play Ludo?
Play with my dogs.
Okay. And favorite genre of music?
Jazz.
Favorite movie?
Forrest Gump.
Favorite musician, singer?
Favorite musician? B.B. King.
Okay. And most overrated comedian as per you?
All of them.
Okay. Fair enough. ठीक है, तो काफी आसान था. तो मुझे लगा कि कुछ थोड़ा इसमें से. Oh yeah, let's talk about your ad
baby.
with Ranveer and hi cutie.
Oh, baby.
What's his name?
Milo.
Oh, sweet. How old is Milo?
6 years. है ना Boogie?
Nice.
है ना Boogie?
Hi Milo. Say hi to everybody. Say Jazzy B.
Milo gives zero fucks to anything like me.
No, Milo seems very interested in this conversation. Yeah, come on, look at him. He's just like.
Milo is very interested in coming to my lab.
आ गया Londa. Somebody has written.
आ गया Londa.
Jivishu, somebody is asking, who do you secretly have a crush on?
मानसी कलानी.
अच्छा, मानसी पिलानी को लाया जाए जरा लाइफ पे यार.
मानसी कलानी नहीं पूछा है वो.
अच्छा, मानसी ने पूछा है, उसी का नाम ले लिया. ओह हाँ, मैंने पढ़ा नहीं नाम. हाँ.
Smart.
Very smart. Very smart. Yeah. And so once your lockdown is also over, your upcoming projects and everything are in like. Can you hear me?
Yeah, a movie shoot, which is scheduled to start once the quarantine gets over, and let's see how far it goes.
Okay, that's interesting. And about that advertisement that you've done with Alia Bhatt and Ranveer Singh.
Yeah.
Have you been anywhere behind the script, or you were just there for the part that you were there for?
No,
because it looked very Jivishu to me.
Yeah, so the last part was me when I took the tongue out.
Took out your tongue out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how was that experience? How was it working in a Bollywood movie and working with these guys? Are they like
it's very nice because
are they as
you have. So it's very nice to be a part of the movie because of the fact that you realize it takes a lot of effort to even make a bad movie.
And are they as natural as us? Are they as human as us?
Yeah. They're very, very simple. Like Ranbir Kapoor, Alia Bhatt, Deepika, Jimmy Shergill, Piyush Mishra, everybody, apart Shakti, Ayushmann, they're very, very nice.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, fair enough. And
any other questions you have? All rapid fire gone?
Yeah, rapid fire to khatam yaar.
That's it.
It's supposed to be simple and short, right? You should tell us now. You should tell your
best pickup line you have heard or used. How much do you charge?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think there is a question saying, have you ever been embarrassed on stage? If yes, please tell us.
Yes, I have been. I think walked in with a zipper open. Realized it later.
So, acha, okay. That's it? That's not a big deal, or is it?
Please go with the zipper open to a stage. We'll talk about it later. Please, Mahima, go be my guest.
No, I don't think so. Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
Oh, have you had aloo vadi during quarantine season?
क्वारंटाइन है, मेरी मौत नहीं हुई है.
आलू वड़ी तो यार आसान है ना बनाना. बनाया तो होगा, एक बारी तो बना होगा घर पे.
मेरे आज बना हुआ है. मेरी में तो वड़ियां भी घर में बनानी शुरू कर दी हैं.
Oh
हम बाहर से
God.
भी नहीं लेकर आते.
Oh God. Vin Swagger is asking you how much do you charge? इसे पूछ लो किस बात का पूछ रहा है. इसका क्या
विन
मतलब?
स्वैगर तेरे लिए पप्पी, खाली एक पप्पी.
और there
Awesome,
was
awesome. Okay, I gotta bounce now. And
yeah.
was the audience able to notice? I don't know, but it was embarrassing for me. I just came out, and last thing that you did something nice and beautiful for someone. I did not murder my relative, so that thing I was nice, I think.
No, but before you go, there's a question I have to ask you, Javeshu. You're
Yeah.
Punjabi. Let's end this debate for everybody. Where is the best butter chicken you can get in Delhi?
Where's the best butter chicken get in Delhi? Best butter chicken. Rama's in Karol Bagh.
Number 2 would be?
Dhaba by Claridge's.
Really?
Butter chicken private बोला यहाँ भी. Here, ask me. Butter chicken private man. वही होगा फिर. Yes. What are the odds you could have asked a different question?
What are the Kareem's, Kake the Dhaba and CP? See, now I've initiated like a lot of debate. That's why I asked you this question. People will be like, ये कैसे बोल दिया यार? इसको पंडारा रोड तो पता ही नहीं है.
Yeah. Anyways, so maybe I have to bounce. I have to make a call. Thank you so much for having me over, and I wish a lot of love to Seven Entertainment and Pokerbazi. For people who are doing anything and not doing anything, please go ahead and join Seven Entertainment or play Pokerbazi. And take care.
Yeah, guys, go play poker.
Yes, and go home. Please be safe.
Thank you so much, Javeshu, for your time. This has been a lot of fun. I've really enjoyed talking to you. And bye.
Bye.